and is home to towering trees like Brachystegia and Julbernardia. These ancient trees are like pillars of the heavens, raising life high and sheltering thousands of wild species below. They maintain the ecosystem by absorbing carbon and mitigating climate change, balancing life and the environment. The shrubs and grasses here thrive as well, adapted to harsh climates, long dry seasons, and irregular rainfall. The animals in this region have also evolved to withstand the harsh environmental conditions, helping maintain the delicate balance of the vast savanna ecosystem. Here, the African bush elephant reigns as the gentle giant over the vast grasslands and dense forests of the central Zambesian Miombo woodlands. This elephant species, scientifically named Loxodonta africana, is known as the largest land animal still in existence. The largest recorded individual stood 13 feet tall and weighed up to 22,900 pounds, 10.4 metric tons. Not only does the African bush elephant impress with its size, but it also plays an essential role as the architect of the ecosystem. Each day, a single elephant consumes up to 330 pounds of vegetation and requires a large amount of water, forcing them to move continuously in search of food and water, especially during the harsh dry seasons. Their massive footsteps create ecological corridors, breaking through dense vegetation and allowing other species to access new areas. Despite their immense strength, the survival journey of the African bush elephant is fraught with challenges. Since 2021, the IUCN has listed them as endangered due to habitat destruction and poaching for their ivory. Fortunately, thanks to conservation efforts, the population of African bush elephants in the Miombo region has seen a slight increase. According to WWF, in 2023, about 50,000 elephants were recorded in Zambia and Zimbabwe, a positive sign for the future of this giant herbivore. The Miombo woodlands are also home to two prominent antelope species, the kudu and the sable antelope. In this land of scorching heat and severe droughts, these antelopes have developed incredible survival skills and play vital roles in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem in the woodlands and grasslands of the central Zambesian Miombo. The kudu, scientifically named Tragelaphus strepsiceros, is famous for its spiraled horns, which resemble regal crowns. They can stand as tall as 5 feet and weigh up to 595 pounds, moving gracefully through the dense canopy. They consume tough and old leaves, a type of food that few other species can digest, allowing them to thrive in environments where food and water are always scarce. Meanwhile, the sable antelope, scientifically named Hippotragus niger, cuts an elegant figure with its shiny black coat and long curved horns. Weighing up to 550 pounds, they live in herds, enduring the intense heat and dry conditions of Miombo. The sable antelope moves constantly in search of scarce food, helping maintain population stability with approximately 75,000 individuals recorded in 2023. The grasslands and woodlands of the central Zambesian Miombo are also the domain of African wild dogs, scientifically known as Lycaon pictus. These animals are among the most efficient predators, boasting a hunting success rate of up to 80%, far surpassing larger predators like lions or hyenas. They are known as masters of coordinated hunting. Their hunts are not just races of speed, but tests of patience and strategy. A pack of African wild dogs usually consists of 10 to 20 individuals, sometimes up to 40. During a hunt, each member has a specific role, and they coordinate perfectly to exhaust and corner their prey. Thanks to their teamwork, they can take down animals much larger than themselves, like wildebeest, and occasionally even buffalo. However, the role of African wild dogs goes beyond just hunting. They play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance by controlling herbivore populations, which prevents overgrazing and helps preserve vegetation. Despite their remarkable hunting skills, their survival is not easy. Genetic isolation, poaching, and diseases transmitted from domestic animals are significant threats to this species. According to the IUCN, African wild dogs are currently at high risk of extinction, with only about 6,000 individuals left across Africa. In the Miombo region, there are only about 500 to 600 African wild dogs as of 2023, calling for stronger conservation efforts to secure the future of this incredible predator. Leaving behind the dry forests and wide grasslands of the central Zambesian Miombo, a new journey unfolds in West Africa. This is the Guinean forest-savanna mosaic. Here, forest vegetation and savanna intermingle, creating breathtaking blended landscapes. Stretching across Guinea, Sierra Leone, Côte d'Ivoire, Ghana, and Togo, the Guinean forest-savanna mosaic is one of the rare regions where two seemingly opposing ecosystems coexist. As the dry season arrives in the Guinean forest-savanna mosaic, the roan antelope, scientifically named Hippotragus equinus, embarks on a grueling survival journey. The roan antelope population in the Guinean forest-savanna mosaic is estimated to be around 8,000 individuals as of 2024. With their striking light brown coats and long curved horns, roan antelopes are a symbol of resilience. They roam continuously across the sparse forests and grasslands, like dots of light moving against a backdrop of golden earth. The adaptability of this antelope species is truly remarkable. They can consume a variety of grasses and shrubs, including plant types that many other animals cannot eat. This allows them to endure the harsh conditions of the dry season, when the land cracks and vegetation becomes scarce. Within the rainforests and grasslands of the Guinean forest-savanna mosaic, the leopard, scientifically named Panthera pardus, stands out as a key predator. With exceptional adaptability, the leopard makes use of both environments. They hide in the dense forest vegetation and also move freely across the open savanna to chase down prey. As an opportunistic predator, leopards have a diverse diet that includes antelopes, smaller gazelles, monkeys, and even birds. Their hunting skills become particularly formidable at night, when their excellent vision and silent approach turn them into elusive hunters. Leopards hunt by relying on patience and their ability to conceal themselves in tall grass or trees. Taking advantage of their distinct spotted coats, which help them blend into their surroundings, leopards often ambush prey in the dark or at dusk, when their targets are less vigilant. Once within striking distance, the leopard leaps at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, using its powerful jaws to immobilize and take down its prey. The leopard's incredible climbing ability also allows them to ambush from above or drag their kill up into the trees, avoiding competition with other predators like lions and hyenas. However, The survival journey of the leopard in this region is becoming increasingly challenging. According to the 2023 Panthera report, the leopard population in the Guinean forest savanna mosaic is estimated to be only about 2,500 individuals due to habitat loss and poaching for their fur. As rainforests are cleared for timber and agricultural expansion, leopards are forced to migrate into the savanna in search of food, where they often become targets for hunters or come into conflict with humans. After leaving the transition zone between the forest and savanna of the Guinean forest savanna mosaic, we enter a new landscape, the Somali acacia comifera, bushlands and thickets. This region spans northeastern Kenya, southeastern Ethiopia, and much of Somalia, and is one of the harshest savanna ecosystems in Africa. This is an environment marked by irregular rainfall, prolonged dry spells, and average high temperatures ranging from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. The dry, thorny terrain, with its low-growing, spiny trees, creates a wild yet challenging natural scene. These lands are not just a habitat, but serve as a keeper of the rhythm for the entire ecosystem. Acacia and comifera trees, resilient to drought, stand tall as pillars of life, providing shade and valuable food sources for the animals. The creatures of this region have developed unique survival strategies to cope with the harsh environment. In this challenging region, Gravy's zebra rises as a symbol of resilience. Their scientific name is Equus gravyi. They are recognized as the rarest zebra species in the world, with only about 2,800 individuals remaining as of 2023, according to the Gravy's Zebra Trust. Gravy's zebra is also the largest of the 3 zebra species, standing up to 5 feet tall and weighing between 770 and 990 pounds. They are distinct from other zebras, with narrower black and white stripes and larger, rounder ears, which enhance their hearing and help regulate body temperature in the harsh climate. Gravy's zebras have developed an impressive ability to survive in this dry region. They can endure long periods without water, subsisting on dry grass and traveling to remote areas to find water. In an environment where resources are scarce, they move in small herds, traveling far to find water and food. In doing so, Gravy's zebra plays a critical role in the ecosystem by controlling wild grass growth and providing stability to the savanna's vegetation. In the wilds of the Somali acacia comifera bushlands, where the dry, thorny shrubs stretch out under the scorching sun, the bat-eared fox, scientifically named Otokion megalotis, thrives as a small yet resilient warrior. With its large ears resembling natural radar dishes, the bat-eared fox has evolved in extraordinary ways to adapt to the harsh environment. The ears not only serve as listening tools, but also as weapons in hunting, detecting the smallest movements underground, where termites and insects hide. At night, when the intense heat subsides, the fox begins its journey in search of prey. Termites, its primary food source, make up 80% of this fox's diet. Interestingly, according to a 2023 study, the ears of the bat-eared fox have evolved to be 10% larger than in previous generations, allowing it to hunt more efficiently even during prolonged droughts. However, it is the striped hyena that proves to be the more formidable predator in this region. Scientifically known as hyena, this species is one of the main carnivores in the Somali acacia comifera ecosystem. Identified by their striped coat and strong forelegs, these hyenas can easily navigate the rugged, thorny terrain of the harsh landscape. Unlike the larger spotted hyena, The striped hyena is smaller, but no less formidable. They are nocturnal, emerging from their dens after dark and retreating back before dawn. Known as expert scavengers, striped hyenas not only clean up the environment, but also prevent the spread of disease by consuming decaying carcasses. The IUCN lists this species as near threatened, with the global population estimated at fewer than 10,000 mature individuals. The Somali Acacia commiphora bushlands, with their scattered shrubs and dry grass scorched under the blazing sun, are also home to the gerenuk. This antelope, scientifically named Litocranius walleri, is also known as the giraffe gazelle due to its slender body and strikingly long neck. The gerenuk has a remarkable ability. It can stand on its hind legs to reach the leaves of trees as high as 6 to 8 feet, far above the reach of other herbivores. During extended droughts, when other animals must migrate or seek water far away, the gerenuk remains, thanks to its exceptional adaptations. They regulate their activity to conserve energy, minimize water loss, and maintain their body temperature efficiently. Additionally, the gerenuk can even adjust its metabolism